So this is our base 4-inch PVC pipe. Zoom out, we can see the basic structure. We would have the vinyl covering. Be a total of 3 pieces, the 2 sides and the overlay. The overlay does have a door in it. And then as you wanted to add modular pieces, we just add another tarp on the left and right to cover those sections, keeping the middle piece exactly the same, the walls the same, still having a door. That's the basic idea. The price of the modular pieces would be about $1,500 each. It would be a little less for the additional pieces because you wouldn't be ordering any more sides. So that would be about a $200 savings. So about $1,500 for the first modular piece with these sides, which we now see floating out. And then you'd save about $200 per side on the next order. So about $1,100 for each additional module piece, unless you needed more sides. Like if you were to add then a modular piece on the outside, a separate one for t-shirts and for information, then those might need their own sides or not, whatever you see fit. But that's about the price for the PVC pipes and the banners that then would hang, or the walls, if you want to call them walls. This entire front wall, roof, and back wall are a single banner that just drape over the whole thing. And then the sides are separate pieces printed on one side. I can look into printing both sides. Like I said, it's not drastically more if you want to print on the inside, but in this case, the inside would just be white. White's going to be the best color for the inside because it's going to reflect a lot of light. Once you do something printed on the inside, you might need more lighting on the inside because it'll be dark in there otherwise. That's my basic idea. But like I said, each module comes back around $1,500 printed and everything ready to go with the pipes and the connectors and everything. It's a pretty simple layout to set up, so I don't think it would be hard to put together. Some of the pieces are 12-foot long, so you'd need something to carry 12-foot pipes in. Otherwise, I could add more pipe. The pipe is not as expensive as the banners. So if you wanted, we could add more structure to make the pieces shorter if you couldn't fit 12-inch pieces into your vehicle for transport. But yeah, it's 12 by 12 on the bottom. This back piece is 8 foot tall. It goes to about 10 foot tall in the front. I had to angle it. You don't want a flat roof because it'll catch moisture most of all. But just a somewhat of a pitched tarp I think is better. And like I said, these front pieces could also be used as canopies. The whole front then would be open, or you could just roll them up if you wanted the front open. So you get multi-use that way. But like I said, these front panels are printed, so they also, you leave just the left and right down and roll up the whole middle, or however you see fit. It could be made to work. But that's my basic idea for structure and what they would look like. Just a simple 3D animation of the PVC pipes and the vinyl banners as they would go together. Okay.